Good evening, dear parents and guests. Tales from Indian mythology have captured our imagination and been a source of inspiration from ancient times. Our culture is rich with stories that educate children with human values, be it the wisdom of the Jatak tales or the learnings from the Mahabharata, be it the meaningful Panchatantra stories or the verses of the Ramayana. Every story lives on, beautifully passed on from generation to generation, from grandparents to grandchildren. Mythology creates magic. When students were preparing for this year's symphony, they learnt many new episodes from the familiar tales of the past. They learnt valuable lessons from the past, narrated them in the present, and will hopefully recall these in the future. The Holy Trinity of Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, the Creator, the Preserver, and the Destroyer, is central to our spiritual ethos. हर युग में जब जब सृष्टि में असंतुलन हुआ है, तब तब भगवान विष्णु ने अलग अलग अवतारों में प्रकट होकर सृष्टि का संतुलन बनाकर रखा है. Tonight's theme dwells on this very idea. Today we depict each form of Vishnu, the preserver of the universe. Let us celebrate Lord Vishnu tonight, who has a serene appearance, who lies on a serpent, from whose navel springs a lotus, who is boundless and infinite, the beloved of Devi Lakshmi, the Lord of all worlds, in the eternal splendor of all his 10 avatars. When the world is troubled and chaos spreads around, prayers for preservation of humanity abound. Lord Vishnu appears in a powerful new form. He comes down to earth to restore all norms. And we celebrate the arrival of the 10 forms of God. The Shavatar will sing praises of the Supreme Lord. Behold the mighty Matsya Avatar, the fish form of the Lord that directs Manu to collect all creatures and keep them safe on a boat when Pralay occurred. The dependable Kurma Avatar, the tortoise form of the Lord that helped during the task of ocean churning by bearing the weight of the Mandar mountain. The strong Varaha Avatar, the boar form of the Lord, who after a fierce battle with the demon Hiranyaksh carried the earth safely between his tusks and restored its place in the universe. The ferocious Narasimha Avatar, the half-man, half-lion form of the Lord, who destroyed the cruel ruler Hiranyakashyap and brought an end to the persecution of human beings. The resilient Vaman Avatar, the divine dwarf form of the Lord, who taught a big lesson to a mighty king. The fiery Parshuram Avatar, the warrior form of the Lord, who wielding his massive axe is known for his fury, force and ferocity. The resplendent Ram Avatar, King of Ayodhya, the ideal man, the embodiment of righteousness, the vanquisher of evil, the custodian of Dharma. The delightful Krishna Avatar, the widely worshipped form of the Lord who embodies love, duty, compassion and playfulness. With the lilting notes of his flute, he is our friend, guide and philosopher. The enlightened Buddha Avatar, the peaceful form of the Lord who preached the lessons of ahimsa and propagated the path of non-violence. The enigmatic Kalki Avatar, the mystical form of the Lord who is yet to arrive and eludes us with his mystery. During Satyug, in the form of Matsya, Kurma, Varaha and Narasimha, during Treta Yuga in the form of Vaman, Parshuram and Ram, during Dwapar Yuga in the form of Krishna and Buddha, and in future during Kali Yuga in the form of Kalki, every era has a hero, a form of Lord Vishnu, the eternal preserver. Ladies and gentlemen, with pleasure and pride I give you Symphony 2024, Dashavatar.